Hi everybody, so I'm just catching up with my girl Nuffle. Haven't seen her in a while, so we're just catching up, and I'll let the news break out with something that's coming up with my life to the girls. You guessed right, I'm becoming a dancer for Tomesina. And me and Nuffle had a few drinks at Tomesina, and she felt like Macca's, so she was driving us to Macca's. And then we went to go do our order, and almighty, the screen is not working. Oh my god.
Disabled. Disabled. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it just went up. Oh.
They use Coke. Okay.
Okay, is it a brand?
Oh look now. They're restarting again. It failed. Disabled.
Oh,
wow,
settings.
I know what they look at when they open up.
Looks like a virus. So I got up at around 5:30 and left home in the morning to go to town because, man, the peak hour traffic in Samoa is no joke. So I had to go to the party prop shop in town because they're the only place that sells the proper dessert cups for my dessert cups that I make for my business. So I had to go there to get some because I got some orders this week. And then I went and killed time by going and doing a nice long walk along the Seawall. So pretty, man. So I was just like, I want to capture this for you guys. Let's go.
Turn it up now. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And truly, the girl's on my mind and I've got to make her mine. No other girl compared to your love. You're my brown sugar queen, you're my friend, you're my lover. Never ever contest this love with other, cause I know you're my girl, the one who rocks my world. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her. Yeah, she's my sweet island girl. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her. Yeah, she's my sweet island girl. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her. Yeah, she's my sweet island girl. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her. Yeah, she's my sweet island girl. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her. Yeah, she's my sweet island girl. This special song is out to my girl. Brown sugar queen, she's rocking my world. And I love her.
After I ate, I had to do some house cleaning because my sister-in-law, Kisa, my brother's girlfriend, she's coming to spend the night. So I wanted to make sure her room was ready so she can have her own room and I can have my own room. But yeah, just getting everything washed and sorted, and here we go. Morning everybody. I'm just in town on my walk because I had to do a delivery for my dessert, so just wanted to show you guys, look how beautiful that is. So here's my sass over here. Just got her some dessert box. I did another one because it was her son's birthday a few days ago. So one for her and one for her son. So good to see them again. It's VJ, my friend VJ's family. So it's good to see them and catch up. I had to go to the shops just to get a top up on my dessert stuff because I got some more orders next week. But yeah, this is the one I come to now because I don't know, I just feel like I want to support all the local stores, but this one's closest to me as well. So I got my top up for my stuff and yeah, my dessert cups, and the power's out. So I'm just sitting at the back of my ute waiting for the power to come back on. The power's dead. This is the ute. It's the house, it's so hot inside. Ugh, it got so hot, so I went for a drive in town and look at this beautiful view. I just wanted to show you guys the nightlife in Samoa and what you're missing out on. But yeah, it's just so pretty at night. You know, the sun's setting, everything just looks beautiful when the lights are shining. But yeah, I was just like, gotta show you guys what it looks like at night. But guys, thank you for always tuning in to my videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feeling when you watch me vlogs. If you like it, if you don't like it, and if you don't like it, then I don't care. No, yeah, but honestly, thank you guys for the new subs. I see you, appreciate you, love you guys. See you in the next one.